Hey guys, I'm Iboko Victor Chude, a professional digital marketer, and I want to talk about the top 3 mistakes small companies make when trying to grow online using Facebook and Instagram. If you're an online coach or a small business owner trying to grow online, avoiding these 3 mistakes can save you months of frustration and wasted money. And the first mistake is relying solely on organic promotion. If you're still depending on organic reach alone, you are already behind. Social media, especially platforms like Facebook and Instagram, reward speed and momentum. In saturated markets like coaching, fashion, business, or whatever it is, relying on unpaid content means you're likely not going to reach out to your customers or the people who need your offer. The thing is, organic market is slow. Paid ads are how you stay ahead and get seen fast. Now, the second mistake is no business structure. Most businesses operate without a clear system, but there are 5 essential steps you need to stay ahead. And these 5 essential steps are called VCPCS, meaning value, content, promotion, community, and sales. Value has to do with what you offer. Content means how you communicate your value. Promotion means how you amplify your message. Community is who follows and engages with you. While sales is how you convert your customers into paying clients. If you're missing even one of this, one of the 5, your system has a gap, and gap skews growth. And the third mistake, which is the most important, is weak or ineffective promotion. You may have the value and content nailed down, but without promotion, no one sees it. And if your promotion is weak, unstructured, or inconsistent, you won't drive traffic, generate leads, or even close sales. Yes, promotion is that engine that joins and connects everything together. Now that you know what is going wrong, and now that you are aware of these 3 mistakes, here's how to fix it. 1. Stop relying on organic methods. Okay? Use targeted paid ads to get ahead and to get in front of the right people fast. Number 2, clarify your offer and choose the best formats. It could be video, it could be image, it could be a lead magnet, or whatever it is. Name it, but you need to pick the best offer that resonates with your audience and with the right people. Number 3, hire a proven ad strategist. Why? To help you reach, attract, and convert ideal clients with measurable and a proven ROI, which is return of investments.